Imagine a robot that can literally read your mind, predict your needs, and do things for you before you even ask. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, it's coming in 2026, and it's closer than you think. Today, we're diving into the most mind-blowing robot you've never heard of. And trust me, this will change the way you live forever. I'm talking about next-level AI robotics, machines that are smarter, faster, and way more helpful than anything we've seen before. From making your mornings easier to possibly replacing jobs, this robot could literally reshape the way we live. And yes, it's not just a concept, it's already real. What this robot can do. So what makes this robot special? First, it's ultra intelligent. Not just Siri or Alexa smart, it can learn your routines, understand emotions, and even make decisions for you. Imagine waking up and your robot already brewed your coffee, laid out your clothes, and even suggested the perfect breakfast based on your mood. And here's the crazy part. It can assist in dangerous jobs like firefighting, disaster zones, or even surgery. Scientists say its ability to adapt and learn in real time is what makes it revolutionary. Think of it like having a personal assistant, a superhero, and a best friend, all in one machine. How it's smarter than ever. You might be thinking, okay, but how is this different from normal robots? This robot uses next-gen AI, advanced sensors, and real-time data processing that allows it to predict human needs before you even express them. If you're about to leave for work, it already knows traffic patterns, weather changes, and can plan the perfect route for you without you saying a word. And unlike current AI, it learns from mistakes instantly, making it smarter every single day. It's basically a thinking, learning, living assistant. Why 2026 is the game changer? You're probably wondering, why 2026? That's because recent breakthroughs in robotics, AI, and neural networks are finally merging into one. Tech companies around the world are racing to make practical, affordable robots that people can actually use at home. This isn't just a fancy lab experiment anymore. Prototypes are already walking, talking, and performing tasks in real-world environments. Experts believe that by 2026, these robots could be in thousands of homes worldwide. Yes, your neighbor could have one before you do. The big impact. Now here's the big question. How will this change your life? Daily chores? Gone? Your schedule? Optimized? Health tracking? Home security? Even companionship? All handled by a machine that's constantly learning to help you better. And it's not just convenience. Jobs, industries, and even education could be transformed. Some fear AI taking over, but others see it as the ultimate life assistant. Either way, one thing is clear. Life in 2026 might feel a lot like living in the future. So, are you ready for a robot that can change your life before you even realize it? The future is coming faster than ever. In just a year or two, AI won't just answer your questions. It'll run your life. The question is, will you trust it? If you want to see more stories like this, hit subscribe, because next week we're unlocking a tech secret that almost nobody knows about.